This is a Hampton Bay ceiling fan. And the Hampton Bay 52-inch Hampton Bay St. Clair. At the top. There's low. There's low. The ceiling fan's pretty neat. It has globes. They're pretty neat. Pretty unusual. Ceiling fan. This is up the air. Up here. Hampton Bay. Here's medium. Oh, this is really fast and it bubbles. And here's that. Here's low. I think it might be low. Slow it down.